Hey mountain kids, this is Rob Wood with a little more outdoor core for you. And up in this little tree right here are some little kinglets. You can look them up so you know what they look like, because my zoom doesn't work that great, but listen to how tiny their little note is. This is the golden crowned kinglet. How close you can see, I can see without binoculars here, the little gold patch on the crown of its head. There are also these ruby crowned kinglets. But they're one of my favorite four-season birds up in Plumas County. They, because so many of the birds scatter in the wintertime, there aren't as many for us to kind of check out. And so we can really get to know the winter residents really, really well. And these are some of our winter residents. They're super small. And right here, there's a flock of like 6 of them doing their thing. So, your homework is to go out, and even if you don't have binoculars, look for a tiny, tiny bird with a little patch of gold on the crown of its head. And that is the golden crowned kinglet. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit closer for you. Not sure if the birds will let me. Well, there they are. There's a good shot of one right here. Remember, when you go out, it's great to know what you're looking at and give it a name. But if you just hang out for a while, you can really see what they're up to. Are they eating? Are they feeding? Are they doing something with their nesting? Are they self-cleaning? Like, what are they up to? So have curiosity around these little guys. It takes a lot of work for them to survive our cold Plumas County winters. All right, get out there. Take care.